Jack Judson's my butt check 2016.
Oh, 2017!
Start out, got the nice Sunday street sweeper frame, Jake Seeley signature. It's got a pretty great name. It's like mine. It's pretty close. It's close enough. For forks, got the Odyssey R32s, beauties, strongest ones in the game. Cranks, Sunday Saker, whatever that means. It's those cranks, 155 millimeter from the quick crank flips. It's got the Merit pedals. It's nice grip, nice grip, long lasting. Got the Fiction Troop plastic pegs. It's real nice babies. They slide real nice. Front wheel, we got the Odyssey anagram hub laced up to some sort of Odyssey aerospace rim. It's nice and chrome. It's beautiful. Drives Mason insane. We got with the bars, S&M foo bars.
F-U.
F-U, like F-U.
That's a play on words.
It might be a little bit of a play on words, but we're not sure yet. Got the Sunday headset for them nice bars spin nice and fast around for all those
wait,
bars
Jake,
that
Jake,
I pretend to do.
Cut! You can't bar spin.
That's why I said I pretend to do them. We got the Primo stem, chrome. It's real nice. Matches the rim down here. It's real beautiful. We got the Sabrosa Mexican blanket seat. Some queer bought it and gave it to me. I'm not sure who it was. I think it might have been McDomer. Got some seat posts given to me from.
I'm sorry, I gotta stop it here. Gotta stop it. Mark the clip. He does not own that.
We're back here talking about the back wheel. It's Sunday Thunder Coaster for coasting. It's laced up to a Sunday rim. It's real piece of garbage. We got tires, Fit, FAF, fastest French. That also might be a play on words, but once again, we're not sure. Next, we got the grips. The Colt DANS grips. They're real thick when I'm gripping that rubber. This is gripping and ripping. Front tire, we got the crappiest one's cheapest, Duo. It's real nice and straight, slick, and we got back here, over here. We got the nice, it's the Stranger pinch guard, sprocket for doing all my bashes and whatnot. Well, when I'm bashing into them DMs. Then I got the BSD half-link chain. It's a real beauty. It's held up real nice and super strong. We're not even stressing it out right there.
Do some more of those.
What's up? It's nice and strong. It's my bike. It's pretty sweet. You guys want to see a sweet clip?
Say enjoy these clips.
Yeah, enjoy these clips. Get this one right here. Here we go! Woo! Nice. That's good.
It's into the ender.
Oh my god.
Ender. Please crack your phone.
I wish. Nice, your